Yan, Babo Kabalen! Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Sweet Tub by KeithShop for sending us these amazing dishes, guys. If you look at my table right now, kapag ganito po yung mga pagkain, I also become excited because number one, Pinoy kakanin. It always has, a special place in my tummy. So let me introduce to you the dishes one by one. And as a matter of fact, meron tayong dalawang group of dishes here. So the first one is the Cabalantians Finest. And then number two is the food trend with a twist. So let's start with the Cabalantians Finest. I'm starting off with the Kalamay sa Latik. Check that out! Kalamay sa Latik. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ang sarap. Sabi ko na nga, I'm gonna enjoy this vlog. Grabe ang sarap nito. Next to introduce, guys, is the Suman Bulagta. If you notice, so ito yung mga color green na suman. So the way you enjoy this Suman Bulagta from KeithShop is meron din tayong dito. It's a sugar sauce. Pour it on top. Actually, it's up to you. Either you pour it on top or you get a piece and then dip it. Nasa inyo po yan. Just a trivia, guys. Although you see these Suman Bulagta as as simple dishes, as simple delicacies, in my experience, it takes around a minimum of 3 hours or sometimes it takes half day until whole day kapag po nagluluto kami ng mga Suman Bulagta. So it takes passion and patience to cook this delicacy. Now, next is itong Suman Tili. Honestly, guys, I think it's an old, Kapampangan word for the Tili. Eke po intindihan yung Tili. Hindi ko po naiintindihan kung anong ibig sabihin nun. So, if you happen to know, please help us by educating us at the comment section. Let us know ano po yung ibig sabihin ng Suman Tili. Has a sweet taste pero hindi siya ganun katamis talaga. So again, depending on your satisfaction, you can either add sugar or dip it on available dips such as this. Wow. Alright, so next dish that I am really excited to introduce to you guys or share with you is the special tamales. According to our elders, yung mga taga-Cabalantian daw po ay talagang masarap magluto ng tamales. Sa Kapampangan, it's called boboto. In Tagalog or I think in Spanish, it's also tamales. And then lastly, sa mga Cabalantians Finest is this Puto Seco, which is I'm gonna taste later on because it will invite liquid or something juice or something coffee, mga coffee like na drink ganyan, because this is how they look like. Yeah. So later on, yun ang huling-huling titikman natin. Now let us move on to the food trends with a twist. Right, so I wanna start off with the Ube Cheese Pandesal. So in the middle of the pandesal, you have your ube jam. It also has a cheese in it. The ube is so evident, plus the ube jam. And then you have the saltiness of the cheese. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. Another food trend with a twist is this Ube Cheese Ensaymada. Again, in the middle, you have your ube jam, and then on top is just grated with different kinds of cheese. Let's try it. Ang sarap. Another dish from the food trend with a twist is this beef taco rolls. Let's get one. And then let's dip it to our taco sauce. Oh wow, I like the sauce. This roll right here is packed with beef meat inside it. Oh wow. And then lastly is the beef Charon. sauce, it's spicy. Oh wow. Another spoon of tamales. Right, so let me just read a few more information about KeithShop. So they deliver nearby areas of San Fernando, Mexico, and they are also open for resellers. So, you know, if you want to resell these, make sure to contact them. So, si Sweet Tub by KeithShop is located sa Santa Lucia, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. They accept orders through online, so make sure to message their fan page, which is flashing on your screens right now, or the number we are providing right now. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like native Cabalantians Finest food or yung mga twisted food trends natin dito, you know, make sure to check KeithShop. But then again, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video. Until then, please stay at home and stay safe. God bless us all.